the new benchmark for all-electric SUVs. The Škoda Elroq, set to premiere in autumn 2024, promises to be a standout addition to the burgeoning all-electric SUV market. As Škoda Auto's first foray into the main SUV segment, the Elroq brings a fresh and appealing option to a crowded field, blending innovation with the brand's signature practical and robust design. Design and space, modern solid aesthetic. The Elroq is the first Škoda model to embody the brand's new modern solid design language, which melds robustness and functionality with a contemporary edge. The front end showcases the tech deck face, replacing the traditional Škoda grille, and features a newly contoured bonnet with Škoda lettering. This design shift is a clear signal of the brand's future direction, aiming to balance aesthetic appeal with practical benefits. Inside, the Elroq offers a spacious and minimalist interior, highlighted by the 5-inch digital cockpit and a 13-inch central infotainment display. The focus on clean lines and sustainable materials, such as the recycled fiber used in the design selection loft, commitment to eco-friendly practices. The Elroq's performance credentials are impressive, with power outputs ranging from 170 PS to 300 PS. The vehicle's range of over 348 miles on a single charge and its rapid charging capability, charging from 10% to 80% in under 28 minutes, make it a viable option for both city commuting and long-distance travel. The optional all-wheel drive enhances its capability for off-road adventures, ensuring versatility across various driving conditions. Safety and convenience are at the forefront of the Elroq's design. The SUV is equipped with advanced assistance systems, including Travel Assist with enhanced swarm data and Intelligent Park Assist, which offers remote parking and remote train parking features. The vehicle also supports up to 9 airbags, ensuring a high level of passive safety. The integration of the MyŠkoda app allows for comprehensive control over vehicle functions, from managing charging processes to remote locking and unlocking. This connectivity is further supported by Škoda's charger wallboxes, which offer efficient home charging solutions. Škoda's emphasis on sustainability is evident in the Elroq's use of recycled materials and its commitment to eco-friendly design practices. The vehicle's aerodynamic profile, with a drag coefficient as low as 0.26, contributes to its efficiency, while clever storage solutions ensure practicality without compromising on space. A milestone for Škoda's electric future, the Škoda Elroq is not just another electric SUV. It's a significant step forward in Škoda's BEV campaign, heralding a new era of design and functionality. It stands out in the crowded main SUV segment with its blend of modern aesthetics, impressive range, and advanced technology. Whether for urban living or exploring the great outdoors, the Elroq is poised to become a favored choice among electric vehicle enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. In summary, the Elroq is a testament to Škoda's ability to innovate while staying true to its core values of practicality and reliability. It's an exciting glimpse into the future of electric mobility, offering a compelling mix of style, performance, and sustainability.